Just thought I'd show you a quick, super cheap smartphone holder for in bed above your face viewing. Trying out a month free trial of Netflix and I'm hooked on all their sci-fi. Boy, they got quite a bit since I last had a subscription. But I'm just trying out a free month and was wanting to watch a movie in bed. Couldn't come up with any better way. I didn't really want to put any time into it. So I thought the simplest way was just get a string, hung it between, it's just a loop at this end, hung on the clip there, and same thing on the other side. A couple of big rubber bands, double looped on each end toward the end, so there's no, it's not blocking the view. That turn on, and there we go. Just gotta rotate that. Stranger Things, great show. Need a shorter alligator clip. It would sit a little better too without the charger plugged in. And to remove it, just gotta slip it out of the rubber bands. Take the headphones out. Probably come up with something different, but I got alligator clips handy. Another piece of the string or something, or even just a hook. I don't know, but that's it. It's a piece of string, a couple rubber bands.